What is going on, guys? In this video, I'm gonna share with you 10 websites to make $100 per day, even if you're broke.
If you ain't beefing about the money, then what's the problem?
What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Paul James here, and I'm coming at you from Florida. So if the quality looks a little bit lower than usual, that's why. I'm here on vacation for like a month and I'm kind of bootstrapping it. But anyways, what I want to tell you before we dive into the video is that some of these websites I'm going to be sharing with you towards the end of the video, you can actually use to make even more than $100 per day. So you want to make sure that you watch all the way until the end to make sure that you don't miss anything. Now, I want to find out how committed you are to actually making $100 per day. If you're committed to this and you want to make it happen, do me a favor and show me that by smashing the like button. And also, if you're really serious about growing your business, then what you should do is you should go and you should hit the subscribe button right below the video. And if you want, you can actually go and solidify your commitment to that by sharing with me that you've done that by commenting on the video something like I've subscribed. What I'll actually do is I will go back through after the video is over, I will read your comment, and then I will reply to it, letting you know that I'm happy that you subscribed and that I'm excited for you. So anyways, I don't wanna waste any more time. We're gonna jump onto the computer here and break down these 10 websites. All right, guys, so let's get into it. First off, as we get going, you're gonna wanna make sure that you stick around until the end of this video, because as we move further through the list of these 10 websites, I'm gonna be sharing some of the ones at the end will actually make a lot more than just $100 a day. So make sure that you watch all the way until the end so that you don't miss out on any information at all. So we're gonna kick off our list with number 10, and we'll count down from 10, and that is Duda.co, D-U-D-A.co. So what Duda.co does is it allows you to build mobile websites without having to know how to code. So what you do is you look for a business owner who doesn't have a mobile friendly website. So you can literally pull it up on your mobile phone, see if their website shows up good or if it looks really elongated and hard to read. And what you can do is you can go to that business owner, tell them that you'll get them a mobile website and charge them for it. Now, I've charged as much as $250 to $500 for this actually, so a lot more than $100. And if you landed one of these clients per day, you could actually go and you could just do this alone and make way over $100 per day. You literally come in, you paste in their URL here, and it'll spit it out. Duda has a free trial, which will allow you to get started even if you don't have any investment to get going with, which is why I think this is a great website to get going if you're trying to make some money and you're starting off broke. So that's number 10 on the list. Number 9 is a website a lot of you may be familiar with, or if you're new to making money, you might not be so familiar with it. That is Shopify.com. So Shopify.com is a website that allows you to actually drop ship. It allows you to take products, put them on there, and you can go and you can outsource them from AliExpress or anywhere else. And the way it works is Shopify gives you a 14-day free trial, which means no investment up front. You list your products for sale. You can promote them on social media sites like Instagram so that you're not paying for advertising. And you can find products to sell on sites like AliExpress. Now you're maybe thinking, well, then I need to buy the item, right? Well, actually, the way dropshipping works is that you don't have to buy the item ahead of time. So you can actually list it for sale on your site. You have 14 days to try and sell it. And from that point, once you sell it, the person gives you the money. Shopify has a system in place to accept payment. And once you collect the money, then you can go and buy the inventory and have it shipped directly to the customer's house. So it could be a good option for you if you're looking to get started, you don't have any money to put up front. So I put Shopify as number 9 on the list. So number 8 on the list is a website called Flippa.com. I really love Flippa.com. It doesn't cost any money to sign up for it. And what you can actually do is you can actually sell a website on here. It could be a website that maybe you've got traffic going to. It could be a website that maybe you've put on the first page of Google. It could be a website that you just had a nice design on. And you can see there's a lot of websites on here that are selling for a decent amount of money. $400, $2,550, $99. And some of them are just nothing more than like, you know, a website that is set up with a blog on it, and you know, they just maybe have a good domain name or something like that. So you definitely could make some money doing that. The other thing you could do is, if you have money to invest, is you could buy one of these websites that are successful, do just a little bit of changes. Maybe you decide that it has a bad design and you redesign it. You could potentially then go and flip it for even more money, sell it for double of what you paid for it. So Flippa.com, there it is. That's number 8 on our list. Number 7 on our list is Fiverr.com. Now, many people, when they think of Fiverr, they think of it from its roots because it was named after $5 gigs. You could pay just $5 and get anything you want. Well, nowadays, Fiverr is a lot more than just $5 gigs. So I went and I searched for business cards. So you could literally come on Fiverr and start a business around just designing business cards. And if you can sell one of these gigs every single day, I mean, here's one that's selling for $200. Here's another one, $250. That's way more than $100 per day. And if you're thinking, I don't know how to design business cards, Paul, so I can't do that. Well, there's other gigs on Fiverr as well. Or we can move on to our next website recommendation, which is Canva. And this is our number 6 on the list, I believe. Canva.com, that's Canva.com, has templates, and it's free to get going with them. A lot of their templates are free. Some of them have paid stuff on them, which costs like $1 or $2, but they list it clearly on the side. So let's say I got a client from Fiverr and they were an electrician. I can decide that I want to use this design here that they have on Canva, and I can actually go and design their business card here. So check this out. They give me their name, they give me what their title is, they give me their phone number, their website address. I can literally just come in here and just start typing whatever it is. Like, that's the beautiful part about Canva, is that you don't have to have any design experience. It's literally like Microsoft Word. You just come in, you modify their template, you click, and you start typing. So Canva.com, that is number 6 on our list. Number 5 on our list is Amazon Associates. This is Amazon's affiliate program. So many of you guys might be familiar with buying stuff on Amazon. Maybe you go on Amazon because you're a Prime member, you want to take advantage of their free 2-day shipping. Well, the cool part is that you can actually recommend any item that is for sale on Amazon, and you can earn up to 10% of the fees. So let's say that you go and you start recommending a friend wants a flat screen TV, and they post on Facebook, hey, I'm looking for a flat screen TV. You could literally come on Amazon. You could find a flat screen TV that's, $1,000, let's say, and you can go and send that link to your friend that has a TV that you have or that you like, and boom, just for doing something nice and recommending it to a friend, you could earn upwards of 10% fees, commissions that Amazon will pay to you just for doing that. So that's a good way to get started. It doesn't cost anything, as you can see. Join now for free, and you can get going on Amazon's affiliate program. All right, number 4 on our list is GoDaddy Auctions. Now, this is one website that does cost a little bit to sign up for, but if you do it right, you can make your money back really, really quickly, because it's only like, I think, $19 a month. So it might not be a good option for you right away if you're like super broke and don't have any money, but it could be something that you decide to do and work up to. So what this website is it's domains that are going up for auction. It could be that someone let them lapse and they expired. So the domain is like what you actually type in to visit the website. So this is usporter.com. So you could potentially you could buy one of these domains. Again, could take a little investment up front. Most of them go for $69. But what you could then do is you could turn around and put it on Flippa.com. So kind of combine the two websites and flip that domain name. There's a lot of people who make a full-time living. They make thousands and thousands of dollars just by doing this strategy alone. They find a good domain name that is brandable, that people want, and then they go and they list it on a site like Flippa.com, and they resell it at a much, much higher price. So you're basically playing like a middleman if you go this route. But again, this one will take a little bit of investment up front. All right, guys, number 3 on our list is called PureFly. PureFly is a really cool site. There's other sites out there like it, but this one is the easiest one to get approved on. It's free to sign up for. If you do sign up for this, you want to sign up as an affiliate or a publisher. And what PureFly does is it's similar to Amazon, how you can go and you can promote stuff, but PureFly connects with other companies. Like you can see, they work with Uber, they work with Gamefly, they work with McAfee, the virus protection. So you could literally go on here, you could sign up for these companies. They even work with Fiverr. Like, let's say, here's Fiverr right there. Let's say you wanted to promote Fiverr. You could do that. You could go and get a link from PureFly, and every time someone goes and signs up and sells something on Fiverr because of your link on PureFly, you could actually make money off of that and commissions off of that. So there's a lot of really good offers on here. So I suggest that if this is a route you want to go with affiliate marketing earning a commission off of recommending a product. PureFly is a really good network that kind of connects everyone together. It connects companies who want to have affiliates, and it connects affiliates who are looking for stuff to promote. Like here, LifeLock. LifeLock is something to make sure that your identity doesn't get stolen, right? That is a rebillable service that probably rebills at like $120 per month. So if they're paying you monthly every time you get someone signed up, sometimes they'll pay flat rate. Sometimes they'll pay on certain ones $100 right up front just for getting someone signed up. So you could go and you could promote it through social media, build a website around it, you know, whatever you want to do. But PureFly is a really good website. All right, guys, number 2 on our list, it is another Fly website. It's AdFly. Now, AdFly, what you do is you get paid for shortening your link. So you may have heard of Bitly, right? Bitly is like the site where if you want to shorten your link, you go in there and it gives you like a little short Bitly link. AdFly is the same thing. The only difference is that in order for someone to get pushed to the link that you're referring them to or shortening it to, they have to see an ad first. So this strategy works really well if, let's say, you were going and you were creating a Fortnite tutorial.
Boy, if you don't get...
And inside of the Fortnite tutorial, you put it on YouTube, you gave a link to check out your special guide on how to get wins in Fortnite. Maybe you put together a written guide. Instead of sending them straight to your blog, you could actually short link your link in AdFly first. So then they have to view an advertisement on AdFly before they get sent to the article. It's just a really unique way of getting paid to share content. It doesn't even have to be your own content. You can share anyone else's content as well. You could share a news article about something about politics. You know, people get really crazy about politics and it's something that people share. You know, you could share a link like that in AdFly, shorten it, and people have to watch an ad before they get to it, post it on social media, boom, you're getting paid and people are sharing it. So that is a really cool site, a really good way to actually make money without really having to do much of anything. And then the number 1 site, the last site that I'm going to talk about in this video, is a site called Microworkerscom. I actually put a lot of gigs on Microworkers.com. By the way, this video is not sponsored by any of these websites, so I have no affiliation as of right now with any of these websites, maybe in the future, but for now, I don't at the time of making this video. Microworkers.com is a website where you can go and you can do what's called micro gigs. So this is called crowdsourcing. When someone needs something done in large numbers, like hundreds of people at once, they will list their job up here. It could be something as simple as going and liking a video. It could be more complex, like signing up to a website or something similar to that. But basically what they do is they might need 100 people to do that. They'll post their job on here and you can just go through, you know, for a couple hours or an hour a day, whatever it takes to get to $100 per day or whatever your goal is. And you can go through and you can start doing these random jobs. They usually take you like 5 minutes to finish, so you can knock out a bunch of them. And they're not going to pay a lot every single job. So like I said, it would be kind of a quantity thing where you have to do a lot of these gigs to do it. But that's Microworkers, that's crowdsourcing, and that's how you can make money with it. So there it is, guys. Those are the 10 websites that you can actually get started with to make $100 per day, even if you're broke. All right, guys, so there you have it. That is all 10 of the websites that can make $100 per day, even if you're broke, and sometimes a lot more than that. Now, if you want to learn about another method that I use and a lot of my students use to do something similar to this, only make $1,000 per client, then I'm gonna put a link to a free workshop in the description of this video. I'd highly recommend that you check that out if any of this stuff sounded interesting to you, because it's very similar and I think that you'd really enjoy it. And also, if you got a lot of value out of this video, I'd really appreciate it if you shared it somewhere. That really helps grow the channel, it helps get the word out there. And again, liking the video and commenting and subscribing also helps. But anyways, guys, I am Paul James. Thanks for tuning in for another video. We'll see you the next time. Peace out.